Our foreign exchange. Welcome to the world of forex trading, where currencies are bought and sold in the largest financial market in the world. In this fast-paced arena, fortunes are made and lost every day. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the process of buying and selling currencies in order to profit from fluctuations in their value. Traders speculate on whether a currency will rise or fall in relation to another, aiming to buy low and sell high. There are various trading strategies employed by forex traders, from technical analysis using charts and indicators to fundamental analysis based on economic news and geopolitical events. Traders use leverage to amplify their potential profits, but it also increases the risk of losses. Successful forex trading requires discipline, patience, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Traders must continuously analyze market trends, manage risk, and adapt their strategies to changing conditions. While forex trading offers tremendous opportunities for profit, it's not without its risks. The market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing traders from around the world to participate. However, this constant activity also means that prices can change rapidly, and traders must stay vigilant. In the world of forex trading, knowledge is power. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, mastering the art of trading takes time and dedication. So, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of forex and unlock your potential for financial success?